Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings garage. So a little while back, I was contacted by a light bulb company, and they said, hey man, we send you some bulbs, can you put them on your channel? And I said, yes, one condition. I gotta try them out, and I have to like them. If I like them, then I'll pass them on to my viewers. And what do? Bam! They send me a package. I tell you guys, you can't go wrong with these Boslla LED lights. The packaging is outstanding. They're very sturdy in there, foamed throughout. I mean, you could probably play soccer with this thing and the balls would still be fine. That's how solid this box is. You get your instructions with a bunch of stickers. And yeah, I wouldn't recommend you trying to take the bulbs out one-handed as I'm doing. But as you can see, these things will come safe when you order them, and they are super tiny. And you can see here in comparison, so this is an age 11. It's roughly almost the same size. I mean, the plug is clearly the exact same, so you're good there. There's no need for wiring. And guys, these LEDs are very simple to install. Not to mention they fit perfectly. They're actually shorter than most of the LED bulbs I've experienced, which is it's a good thing, because you want to make sure that you leave this back the way you found it. And let me show you what I mean. We'll put the camera down here, and yeah, you guys will see that this does allow you to install this cover back. Just bear with me. There it is. So, as you can see, you can't go wrong. They're super bright and they fit as they should. LED is definitely the way to go. Halogen bulbs, no more.
Thank you, Boslla, for sending us the bulbs. They're great. Make sure you take advantage of the discount code.
And as always, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.